Hi everyone, welcome back to Dolibarr tutorial. I'm Vinod Balakrishnan. So the HR module. The Dolibarr HR module is a comprehensive tool designed to manage core human resources functions within small to mid-sized organizations actually, which allows businesses to efficiently handle employee records, job profiles, skill tracking, leave management, expense reporting, time tracking, and recruitment workflows, all from a centralized platform. Users can add and categorize employees, assign roles and approvers, then conduct competency assessments, then and compare skills against job requirements. The module also supports submitting and validating leaves and expenses with audit logs and optional automated workflows. Uh, with its built-in recruitment features, built-in recruitment features, HR teams can create job postings, track applications, and align candidates to open positions. Actually, overall, the HR module helps streamline daily operations, ensures data consistency, and enhances visibility across HR processes. So let's go through the HR module today. Also, there are six subsections in the HR module. Uh, First one is employees, which through which we add, manage, and view employees' data. The second one is skill management, through which we track skills, profiles, and assessments. And the third one is leave, for the leave management, in which we apply, approve, monitor, balances, and history. And the fourth one is expenses reports, with which we submit, approve, reimburse, and analyze expenses actually. And the fifth one is time tracking, with which we monitor the log hours and evaluate productivity of the team. The sixth one, the last one, is recruitment, through which we manage hiring pipelines and candidate information. So let's move on. Let's move on to the employees submodule first. So let's onboard a new employee first of all. So this employees section is for managing all the employee records from one centralized dashboard, as I said earlier. So let's onboard Mr. Last name I will put as uh, Vivek say Rakesh Mehta. Login details came automatically. System administrator, whether we we should make him a system administrator or yes or no. Let's make him a system administrator. No, we will not make him system administrator because he's a new employee. We will give him some permissions later, and his male, and his supervisor we will Miss Manisha Lamba. Post expense report validator is also Manisha Lamba. Request validator also will be Manisha Lamba. She is the HR manager. Now the external user, he's an yeah, he's not an external user, he's an internal user, which means he's an employee of our company and he can use it as an internal user. We'll be providing the permissions to use the internal uh, Dolibarr extension. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. Access validity date range. We'll be giving him the access validity from today, 18th, till say December 31st, just for the demo purpose. And password is automatically generated. Now key for API also automatically generated. His address, I'm just putting it as Delhi. Okay. And the zip code, let's see, 6820001. Just for demo purpose, I'm putting city Nizamuddin, country India, province Delhi. Business phone number, I'm not putting, just give him some mobile numbers Max numbers just to fill the details. Email happy tutorial at the rate 123456, and let's give him some color also. Blue. We will give him blue. Validate. His signature is Rakesh Mehta. No public and private reports. Let's give some public reports to him. So his public report is joined as a junior marketing executive assigned to the digital campaign, and the private also. We will provide a small private report also. Fresher, so requires training on CRM and leave policy. Keep under observation for first 90 days. Background check completed. Now the job position is HR associate. Hours worked per week. He should work 40 hours per week. More than that actually, but still for demo purpose, I'm just putting that much. Employee date. He will be employed from today. To for the purpose of providing him an access to this our Dolibarr, let's say we will be uh, till December 31st. Let's say like that. And his date of birth is 2002. 95. Let's put it like that. Okay. Let's create a user. Now, employee record has been created. Over here, this is where we provide his permissions for the for which he will be taking care of our HR module or whichever the module. We are providing the permissions for him. Whether he can access the third party, whether he can access the DMS, proposals, sales orders, project leads, event organizations, events agenda, which one of the module is supposed to he's supposed to handle. So let's say he's supposed to handle the resources. You will give him the access to read resources, create, modify resources, delete resources. No, we are not going to give him such things and all. So read resources. See. And over here tags, categories. See, over here we need to provide the tags. That is why if it's not given over here, we won't be able to give enter the tags such and such HRM, which all HRM read skill job positions, create modify job positions, delete skill job positions, create modify evaluations, delete evaluations, read all evaluations, read personal information, no, write personal information, such and such. So let's give him the read skill or job position details. Okay, such and such. So depends on the job or the activity or the task he is provided. We'll be giving him the permission to access the module inside module activities and details. So that's it. So now is already enabled. So this is it, the permissions. Now the user display setup. This is the default user setup, which I will not be changing it. Now this is the skin. He can use the module with these two skins actually, LD and LD and MD. So default skin is MD. Let it be like that. I'm not going to change all those things. The import and external data details and all, the names, URLs, and time zones details regarding the person. This the import external calendar. Actually, through this feature, this feature allows us to import calendar events from external sources, like from the Google Calendar, Outlook, or such any other sources directly into our Dolibarr agenda actually. So right now I'm not doing it because he is a new employee. If you want, you can give it to the details and all, giving the URL details, address and all over here. Let it put it like that. Now the skills National registration number, if he's having the employee reference number, we will be providing it over here for the employee purpose of the HR and bank. We need to enter his HR bank details over here, IBN, click this plus button, and you can provide the details over here, label, bank name, such and such. Now the notes, his name, Rakesh Mehta, joined, and for sure, the private note and public notes which we provided in the creation at the time of creation, linked files. And over here, his all the files will be linked, like his resume, his certificates, such and such and all. Also his LinkedIn profile or any other profiles, events and agenda. As I said, when we import the external calendar over here, it will be shown over here also. Or we can add the calendar details from here, as we shown earlier in the project module. Okay, so that is it about the employees sub module. Over here you can see the list. You can see all the present employee list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rakesh Mehta. He is the one we just employed in our company. He hasn't logged in yet, but I log in right now. So when they log in, it will be shown over here, or when logged out. We can access, we can permit the access and all from this section. Yeah, that's just about the employees section. Now let's move to the skill management. Now the skill management. Well, this section helps to track employee capabilities, job role expectations, and performance alignments. Actually, over here you can see skills and job profile, employee position, competency assessments, skill comparison. So let's move to this section, skill management. Already we have already assigned skill details to all these three people. Now let's add skill details to Mr. Rakesh Mehta also, so that we can evaluate his competency, capability, and such things in future. So let's add Rakesh Mehta over here. Skill type, knowledge. Description is having communication skills, and all other skills you can mention over here, like having if any tools is capable of handling, say Dolibarr, such and such. Now description ranks. I am providing him a rank out of, let's put it out of 5, 8, 7. Let's create notes. If any notes to be provided over here, we can provide regarding the skills. So this is the private note. Skills represents specially, skill represents special abilities, knowledge, areas or competencies that an employee possess. This is his private note. Now the linked files, if he is having any files or certificates or whatever it is regarding his skills. Events, if he has participated in any events, we can add over here his past events, actually, you can say. So that's it for the skills. We have added the skills to Rakesh Mehta. Actually, this skill management subsection is to evaluate employees' capability mostly. That is what we are doing over here. We are adding his capabilities and his knowledge areas in the subsection, so that in future we can assess him, assess his career, and we can check whether he is capable of hike, whether it is hike or promotion or such and such things. Now let's employee position, let him position, provide him the position, employee, Mehta Rakesh, your profile, assign him as HR associate, start date is 18th, end date December. So till December, this is going to be his position. Okay. Now the description. So this is going to be his description. An HR associate supports the human resources department in ensuring smooth and efficient HR operations. They are responsible for maintaining employee records, assisting with recruitment and onboarding process such and such and such. Let's create it. It's been done. Over here, see, Rakesh Mehta is added to our HR associate group. Notes. We want to provide any notes regarding his profile, linked files, events. If he's going to do any events and notes such and such, you can provide over here. That's it for the about the employee position. Now competency assessment. There are 1, 2, 3 already added. Let's add Rakesh Mehta also. Label Rakesh Mehta. Give him the description, including communication, employee record management, such and such and such. Competency assessment date. Let's say I have assessed on the 18th today. Employee who is it? Rakesh Mehta. Job profile is HR associate. Create. So we have created a competency assessment profile for him. If there is any notes to be provided, we can provide over here, private or public. Linked files, events, whether he has participated or in some other events, or linked files regarding his any competency events that can be provided over here. Like he has participated in any events or any competitions in earlier careers, like from the college or from the uh, when he's an intern or such and such things, it will be provided over here. When he was working as an intern, such and such events, if he has participated in any events. That's it for the competency assessment. We have added Rakesh Mehta. Now the skill comparison. Let's compare the skills of our employees. That's what going to happen over here. Okay. Now, when doing skill comparison, we need groups. We will be separating the teams in groups. Like employees, we have one, two, three, four, five, six employees. So we need a group for the skill comparison. So let's create a group. And how we create a group? Let's go to home, users and groups. We have already created two groups actually, HR admin and panel group and all. But still, let's create a group over here, new groups. Let's say the new group will be HR associates yellow. And the description will provide a description also for the team. HR associate group, the team of employees responsible for supporting core human resource functions such as recruitment, employee records, leave management, and compliance. Let's create a group. A group is created. Now the group permissions, which all are the permissions for this group, so that the HOD or whoever it is, that group will be allowed to give the permissions and all for the particular person HOD is going to permit. That's all about this group. So let's see. Over here, this is where we add the members to the group actually. List of users in the group. Uh, well, let's add Ratish Manu. He's not in the group, so let's add him actually over here just for the purpose of demo. See, we have added Ratish Manu in this group actually. That's it. If you want, you can modify the details. Let's go back to HRM where we will be doing skill comparison. Admin and HR. There is only Mr. Radish in this group, so I'll be taking HR leadership panel, which I have already created earlier. Let's see. This is where this is how the comparison happens. It's rank different ranks and all. I'll show you more. So that let's say see Miss Manisha Lamba, she is the manager, and this is her rank differences and details. Okay, so everything when we add, it will be shown over here. The ranks regarding the skills, whatever it is, leadership and initiative optional skills as an HR manager, it will be shown over here. Okay, so that's about the skill management. The employees are compared with these skills and their work ability. Now, next is the leave. Okay, now the leaves. The leave subsection of the HR module allows employees to request time off and managers to review, approve, or reject leave requests. Actually, it includes features for individual and collective leaves, leave balances, monthly statements, and change logs, helping organizations track attendance, manage workloads, and ensure policy compliances and all. Actually, that's what this leave subsection is about. So let's create a new leave. The user is okay. So the leave. Let's create a leave for Mr. Rakesh Mehta. He came suddenly. He's sick. He felt sick from the 17th. No. Okay, for the demo process, I am providing it as 17th till 21st. Approved by super admin, and the description is providing him the leave as he is a new employee. Kindly provide him the leave as he is a new employee. And this is what HR writes to Mr. Super admin. Let's create the leave. Been validated. Now, any linked files over here you can give. As we spoke earlier, number of days is 3 days from this to this. Okay. Now, when there is, it is not, okay, that's it. That's for the here. Now let's move to the other section, like how many leaves are there, or say new collective leaves. You can provide here which group is having the total collective leaves. It is a group leave, you can say. If any group is going for any function or any other meetings abroad or somewhere, you can put it over here. That's this section for. Now draft. Draft is what we have right now. See, this is in the draft section because the HR has the admin has not approved or cancelled his leave. So that is in the draft section. And check the draft section over here. The draft subsection, awaiting approval. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 leaves awaiting for the approval of HR. I'm sorry, not HR, the admin. Let's see if we can provide. Approve the leave for Mr. Ritish Manu. We have approved the leave for Ritish Manu. Let's see. Approved. Section. Ritish Manu. We have already approved you. Cancelled section or refused section will appear over here. Let's say let's cancel one section. I mean a leave for Mr. is Shruti. Okay. Now the reason why Mr. Rakesh Mehta is not appearing over here is due to the HR has not validated his leave from this section actually. Let's validate. He will be, he should be. Okay, see, Rakesh Mehta, the HR has validated. Not only did the entry details, but she validated. Now, Rakesh Mehta is waiting for the approval from admin. And reason, he is going to refuse his leave because he just joined. We can't provide him the leave right now. This is what he's going to say as a reason. Now he is refused. Mr. Rakesh Mehta is refused. The refused section. Now the balance of leave. Balance of leave due to lack of data, it won't be available over here. The balance of leaves. The last automatic update of leave allocation. There is no leave types defined that need to be followed by a counter. Go into Hope, set up dictionaries, type of leaves to set up the different type of leaves. Over here you can do that. Right now I haven't done, so I'm not going to do that. Now let's go to the monthly statement of leaves. See, this the monthly statement. Manisha Lamba will be leave for 11 days, and also Ritish Manu also will be on leave for 11 days. Any change logs. Over here you can see if there is any change logs done. Ritish Manu is leave has been approved, and Manisha Lamba's leave has been approved. Don't go for the days, 266 days. Just for the demo purpose, I've written it like that. So that's it. So that is about the leave section in the HR module, where you can check each and every details of leave, whether he will be present, not, and all regarding the employees. So let's jump into the expense report. Now, this expense report section of HR module enables employees to submit claims for work-related expenses such as travel, meals, or accommodations, uh, such and such things actually. It allows managers to review, approve, and track payments, ensuring transparent and efficient reimbursement processes. for the employees. So let's see. Let's create a new expense report. Suppose we need to go for a meeting on 25th, 26th, 2 days, and the user is Lamba. I am the loser. I am the Lamba. Imagine I am requesting for the expense report, or say already the meeting has been already done on 3rd. Anshul Lamba, super admin, is the approver, not public or not private. If we want, let's provide the private note. Approved for remote work until August 31st due to relocation. Get an expense report. Transport date. Both project is Republic government. For their project, we are going for a meeting. So need all these things. Tax. Say 18% is the tax. Quantity. Let's provide quantity is amount actually which we need to provide. Let's say let it be 4,500. Add 81,000 is our total cost for the trip. It's Manisha Lamba's trip. You might have gone to the Dehradun or some other places. I believe that's why 81,000 she is claiming, and she must provide files regarding the trip details, hotel descriptions, hotel bills, such and such over here. Any notes or any logs we can provide here. This is automatically generated. So that's it for the expense report. We have generated an expense report for Ms. Manisha Lamba. Let's see the lists of, let's see over here. These are the expense reports are waiting for the approval from admin. 81,006 like 25,000 admin can approve from here. Let's say Ms. Manisha Lamba. Validate and submit the for the approval. Yes, I validated, I checked, and I'm submitting it for the approval. It's true that she went and we are validating it. Over here you can see the validated list. Manisha Lamba's validation has been done. There are no approved reimbursements. Let's approve, validate. Admin is going to validate this Manisha Lamba's reimbursement. Yes, give her 81,000. Approved. Section we can see Manisha Lamba's amount is approved. Hooray, she's happy. Now let's move to the paid section. Whether she is paid or not. No, we need to pay her. Approved section. We need to classify paid. Yes, she's paid. We can unpay. After getting the money, if she says no, I haven't got the money, classify unpaid. Let's go and check whether she got the money or not. Paid section. Yes, she got the money. Oh, here, cancelled. No, no, nobody is cancelled. Let's go and check. Nobody's validated. That's why we are not able to. Now let's go to the draft section. Hence, draft. Further, let's see from the list. Admin, this one over here. Let's approve. Yes, approved. Classify as paid. After that, which section we want now? Refused. Let's cancel it. We are not paying it. Comment. Lack of budget. So see, like 25,000. They might have gone to Dubai and enjoyed the day, enjoy the weekend instead of going for the meeting. So I'm just not gonna approve it. No email sent, bad sender. This is comes because we have not added the proper emails. If you want, we can send the mail from here. Event details over here, such and such. Let's go to the not refused, cancelled. It was cancelled. That one was cancelled. Super admin. User what super admin? He himself went for the Dubai meeting and it got cancelled. His approval got cancelled because it was too much budget right now. So we will be approving him in the next month or like that, something like that. So that is why this is here is where the payment details will be provided and the statistics over here. The budget management will happen. Total amount, average amount, this much, three numbers. All are the users whom we have to pay. Fresh. Black, 75,800. This is how the expense report statistics works. So that's it for the expense report. Now let's go to time tracking. Time tracking, uh, as I already mentioned, in the project module, you can track the projects. Most of the time, when you sign into the um, company website or something like that, it will be automatically pulled over here actually. And this is how you will be time tracked by the HR or here. See the cloud setup admin checked in on 14th this time, on 15th at 8 o'clock, such and such. And their input per day will be taken from here. This is for the time tracking process. So that's it for the time tracking. Now the recruitment. Now imagine we need a one more HR for the company, new job position. So we need to create a new job position. Label of the job position is HR manager. Expected employees 1, which for the project Republic Government. Responsible for recruitment, the person will be the Rajiv Menon. Email Rajiv Menon. And the future manager will be, which means associate. Let's put Rakesh Mehta as his associate. Now the establishment, which I have not included, so it won't be coming over here. Workplaces for the Republic Government snacks. Expected date from 31st. Salary like 50,000. The description. This is the description. HR manager oversees the organization's human resources operations such and such and such. Create. We need an HR for the whole thing. And these are the people who will be conducting the recruitment. Over here, we can see whether there are any applications came or not. We need to add over here. Imagine we got an application in the name of say Joy. First name was Khaled. Her email, her phone details, date of birth, which requested salary is 3,50,000 per annum. Proposed salary is 3,000 per annum. And the description regarding her. You can provide it over and create. Or employee have an email is required actually. So you will be sending the email to the particular person regarding the new application. Employee will be taking care of this Janet Roshan. We need the mail address to be provided over here so that it will be sent to the particular person. We are not doing it right now. Let's cancel it. So that's it about the recruitment list of job positions. These are the list of job positions we will be requiring, and these are the people who are responsible for the recruitment. We need an HR manager, assistant manager, project coordinator. When we create a job position, new job position over here, it will be listed over here. Now the new applications. Imagine we got a new application for this purpose. We can take and select details, jobs, for which job the application has come. We can take it and fill the details. The employee name, who was the who did the application and all such and such things we can provide over here. List of applications. We got after finishing this new application, filling the new application, you'll be getting it over here. See, Mr. Sharan Manu has already applied for the job. Which job? Not mentioned over here. You need to mention it actually. Description which is not mentioned while doing the new application detail. That's why it's not coming over. But the job description, yes, he has applied for project coordinator. After checking his details like linked files and all, whether he needs to be validated or not, we can validate over here. Let's validate him. He's a good employee. He can be a good employee for our company, like that. So that's it about the recruitment subsection. The subsection of the HR module helps manage the hiring processes by allowing users to create job positions, a list of job positions, new applications, and if they matching the candidate to job profile such and such, they can approve from here. It streamlines the recruitment by organizing vacancies and application information in one place actually, evaluating and for the evaluation and selections. So that's it about the HR module. Hope you understood the module. So I'm winding off here. Thank you. If you have any doubts, kindly comment them. Okay, thank you.